How's it going? Today I'm going to talk about this bed frame with this nice headboard. Now, this bed frame is tremendous. It's a platform bed frame. It's got wooden slats at the bottom. What's great about it though is it has these drawers. So these drawers are just going to come out. If you have any type of storage you need, whether it's other clothes, shoes, anything that you just don't have room for, you can fit that storage underneath this bed frame. It's got some on the sides, 2 on each side, and then there's nothing on the front. It's got a little notch here with the screw, and that's just going to go into place. They are free spinning though, so you can take them out completely, and then you can just shove them back in place. You do got to pull the sheets up, lift it up, and then it'll lock down so that it stays nice and secure. The LED lights on this thing is great. Now, it's lit up here, but whenever it's dark, you can really start seeing the full effects of it. There's a bunch of different modes you can turn them to. I like to have just the solid colors, but it's also nice to see the flashing or the pulsating ones, depending on what kind of mood you want to get into with this bed frame. The headboard is extremely soft. It's got these studs right here with like this velvet softness to it. It's really good if you want to read a book at night. You can use it as a backrest. You could put a couple throw pillows there. You can also use this shelf. Now, it's not a tremendously big shelf, but if you wanted to, you could put a little couple items here just so you can grab it whenever you're laying down. Fairly easy to assemble. Now, you do got to build each individual drawer, so there's 4 of those, and that took like a little bit of time, but they're all put together the same way. The instructions are extremely clear. The hardware to this bed frame is very sound, very sturdy. They come in different colors. This one is tremendous. It works with a bunch of different furniture options. Overall, really impressed with it. You can jump on this thing. It's no problem. It can handle the weight. It can handle the abuse. It's a great addition to the home. It looks nice. It feels good. It's going to be the place for many sound nights of sleep.